What's your name? Where did you grow up? What color are your eyes? Have we met? Passed by on the street? Do we wish on the same star at night?
Hi guys, so welcome to my channel. Currently I'm at home and I really need to get changed out of this uniform because it is so disgusting. Like, ugh, and it's like, I don't know, 20 degrees outside. So I'm gonna go pick up my outfit and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So I decided to go with this outfit. It's like really cute and it's gonna be too hot outside to wear like jeans or anything. So I got this top from Primark. I think it was like around £4 to £5 and it is really cute. If you can like see this design, it's like sort of like checkered and it is honestly adorable. And these pants, I believe I got them from New Look and they are like Sims. No, I think they were like £2, which is really good, and they're honestly so comfy. The material is amazing. I would definitely recommend wearing this. So I will end it here and I will see you guys when I'm changed.
He's taken by the way that she moves, taken by her cherry lips and eyes.
Turn your head. See, it works. That's amazing. What's Grandad doing?
Oh, he's always messy. You can see what he's got.
Oh, how wonderful. Let's see. Hi, Grandma. Look. Say hi.
Hi.
I hope you guys liked it so far. I am currently in my room and I don't really know what to do. Oh, I have geography homework. Wow. And that's due in tomorrow, so lucky me. I also have to wash my hair and go in the shower. And it's like, I don't know, 9 o'clock when I'm filming this. And it's still pretty light outside and what the frick? Anyway, so I'm gonna go do that now and I will see you after I've done my homework, but yeah. I have tea to spill, like, and it's not really like tea, it's more of like a weird like story time thing. So I have my cup of tea because it's not tea without tea. That is hot. Jesus. Okay. So basically what happened was me and my family were like in the garden, right? And my dad was cutting the grass and like all of a sudden we see these birds, like these loads and loads of birds, and they just like flew flying out of the tree, right? And it was weird because I was just sat on a chair outside and then suddenly all these birds come flying over and I'm really confused, and then I look and there's this massive tree, insert picture of tree, and they were like, they all just flew out, and then I noticed this one bird that had fallen and it like fell onto the floor, right? And I went over to look and it was a baby bird and it couldn't fly, but on the way down all of the birds swooped down and sort of like had a go at it, like attacked it. So me being the good person I am, I went over to see if it was alright, but when it like ran into this bush because it couldn't fly. So I run after it, but then my dog Daisy, she like, nickname Nal by the way, my dog's nickname because nickname is Nal. I will show you her in future vlogs. And she just runs over to this bush and I shout for her to stop. but she carries on going anyway. And like, she scares it away, but I thought she had it, honestly. I thought she was going to kill it, but luckily she didn't. And we locked her away, but the bird had gone into next door's garden, and then because I live in front of the woods, it like hopped into the woods, and we couldn't find it. So I went to go and get some wellies or whatever, and I couldn't find it because the bird was like hidden under all these like loads of shrubbery, like all these like bushes and things, but we couldn't find it. And I honestly feel so bad because there are foxes in that woods, and I really don't want it to get like hurt or anything more than it already had, because it literally fell from the top of this huge tree onto the floor and it couldn't fly, then literally got attacked by all the other birds, and it was so small and helpless, and I felt so bad. So I feel really guilty that I couldn't do anything to help it, but it's out in the garden now. I don't even know where it is at this point, but I genuinely don't even know where it's gone. But I decided to name it Henrietta because, you know, I'm strange like that. We love a strange person like that. And so yeah, that's the strange experience I had with a baby bird falling, pardon me, out of a tree. So yeah. I'm currently like getting ready for bed now, so I'm gonna go downstairs and like cleanse my face and then take off my makeup and everything, because I do not want to break out. So let's go.
These dark brown signs, I want you blame. The pain is my own cause I can't complain. So trade today, cause I'm overthinking rain. Cause I'm overthinking rain. While the moon slowly pulls the tides down, I assume she had time for me. I misuse my connection to the world. I've
So that brings me to the end of this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.